Okay, so we're going to do the other side now of this jacket. We finished the one side with a zip, so we're going to do the second side now. So it's nicely pinned where they should match up, and then hopefully if we are lucky and we did our pinning correctly, everything will work out. Now let me just make things better for myself here. I'm sitting here, I need to move this the sewing machine. I'm not happy with where it's standing. Because I can't film properly here. It's really annoying. So just making sure that we stay on course here. Remember now at the bottom here, this seam at the back must now turn upwards, so that later on when we do when we align our seams, everything will look nice and flat. Okay, so let's continue here. Everything there looks fine. Make sure that it's everywhere that it's aligned properly. That's the most important thing, so later on when we close the two parts, we're not going to have trouble here. Everything looks okay. Okay, move this one. Move the zip through. Make sure everything is here at the top of the collar looks fine. There it looks fine. Not going to have trouble there. Okay. So the putting of the zips, when we attach the zips, it's not a difficult exercise. It's just to make sure that we sort of do everything correctly. So remember now here, we want the seam at the bottom must face down. So just want to make sure that we are right here. Make sure the seam goes down, or points down at least. There it is. And the only reason is so that when we turn it later, where our seams are sort of straight, and when we do the top stitch, everything looks good. Okay, so put that one down. Make sure our zip is aligned here. Okay, that should be fine, I think. There we go, past that clip there. Okay, so let us see now how our things look. Tidy up a little bit. Okay, so now when we turn it, we've got a nice clean seam there. And remember, we want a clean seam there on that side as well here. So everything looks nice there, and here everything is fine as well. And let's turn the other way, and you can have a look and see there. So this is now the top part of the hoodie, the collar, and we can see we've got a nice clean seam there as well. The edge, Now remember what we're going to do is we're going to fold both seams forward at the bottom, and we're going to do a top stitch there on the other side, and then everything is going to be nice and flat and neat. But now is for the test to see if our alignment was correct, if we aligned all the panels correctly. So let's do that. So the first one that comes up now, is going to come up now, is the bottom part, and we can see the alignment there is nice, looks straight. The next part, where the pockets are, they are aligned. And now the last one that should be aligned is the collar at the bottom. So they all look good. All of them are perfectly aligned. So this jacket is basically finished now. The only thing that we still need to do with all of these jackets is I'm going to finish the rest, putting on the zips, and then the only thing that still needs to be done here is we need to do a top stitching at all the top stitching. Basically for the waistband at the bottom, here by the zip, we're going to do a top stitch there on that side, and then here by the collar we're going to do a top stitch, and the top stitch is going to run here all the way around the collar down the other way. We're doing a top stitch there to round everything off. So yeah, so this is the attachment of the zips.